So hello guys, today I would like to show you how to repair Xiaomi Redmi 11 with the rebooting issue where your phone goes into the fast boot or recovery menu. And to fix this, what you actually need is to enable developer options and disable some functions via computer. When you enable the developer options, what you also need is to enable USB debugging. So we're gonna enable USB debugging on this, and the issue is here that the phone reboots within like 15 seconds, maybe 10, and you need to enable the USB debugging, but that has a countdown timer of 10 seconds and you simply don't have the time to enable it. What helps is heating up the phone to a temperature that will allow you to actually enable that function. I heated up the phone and now we're gonna enable the USB debugging. So now you need to go fast. You need to find the USB debugging in your menu. Now it gets laggy a little bit. We enabled, and now we didn't make it, but as you can see it dropped down to 3 seconds, and before the phone was cool I wasn't even able to reach like 5 seconds. So this definitely helps. Heat your phone and it will allow you to go into the USB debugging menu. So let's reboot it and try again. You can see that I'm heating it with 80 degrees, but of course the phone itself is not 80 degrees. The heat just transfers to it and the phone is like 40, 45, 50 degrees, something like that. So it's not heated all the way up to 80. I'm just using my hot plate like this. You can also use like ice cold packs. You can heat them up, heat the phone with it, and enable the USB debugging with that. So let's try again. So I also have an airplane mode enabled on this phone, and now let's try it. So we need to go super fast and try to find the menu. You need to get used to that to see where it is. Now let's click the confirmation here. Okay, now let's try to we didn't make it this time, but you can see we were close. I managed to enable the USB debugging by heating up the phone and then quickly going to the developer options and enabling the USB debug. That helped. USB debugging was enabled. Then the phone rebooted, and after it rebooted I was able to connect it via the computer, accept the connection, and it will print out a key here. You will need to accept it, then let the phone reboot again, and then you are going still keep it connected, and then you are going to use the HDB tools and add this command. You can find the tutorial for this. I will put the link under the video, but you will simply add two commands. One is adb shell, and you will add the command pmu install k user 0 com qualcomm.location. You will enter this, it will add success, and the phone is not working. As you can see, it's here and it didn't reboot it. It's working now. Now I'm not sure if this is a fix, if it works on or so, but now you are able to back up your data and then maybe install a new update or wipe the phone, and then it should work just fine. So this is the fix for your Xiaomi phone. Thank you guys, have a great day.